Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag on/off switch, power door locks, power windows, bucket seats, rear head airbag, brake assist, auxiliary audio input, third passenger door, steel wheels. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.